You guys have probably seen these cool images popping up all over social media. People taking their photos and transforming themselves into toy figurines sitting on a desk. They look super realistic, they look super cool, and it's so easy to do. I'm gonna show you the one simple AI prompt that you can use to do this to your photos as well. Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk, and this all comes down to Google's newest AI image generation tool, which they call Nano Banana. And it's so fun, it's super easy to use, and it's all about having the right prompt. So I'm gonna show you that prompt. And if you stick around to the B side of this video, I'll also show you how one extra phrase can change the output entirely. So let's jump right into it, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I've got Gemini.google.com loaded up on the web browser. You can do the same demo on your phone if you'd like. You don't need a paid account. This is entirely free. And the first thing you want to do is click on Tools and select Create Images. You notice the banana, that means you're using the Nano Banana tool. Next, you want to hit the plus button to add a photo to this prompt. Simply click Upload Files and select the photo. In this case, I'm going to use a photo full body of me standing in the hallway. Now it's all about the prompt, and here's the prompt I'm going to use. I'll put this down in the description so you can copy and paste it, but this is what it says. Create a 1/7 scale commercialized figurine of the characters in the picture. In a realistic style, in a real environment, the figurine is placed on a computer desk. The figurine has a round, transparent acrylic base with no text on the base. The content on the computer screen is the Zbrush modeling process of this figurine. Next to the computer screen is a BANDAI-style toy packaging box printed with the original artwork. The packaging features two-dimensional flat illustrations. So you'll notice it's very specific, but it's exactly what we wanted to create. So you got to make sure you get this prompt right. Again, it's down in the description. So now I'm going to hit the little send button here and I will submit that. It'll take about 10 or 15 seconds. Gemini is actually very quick with these image generations, and let's see the results. There it is. Check that out. You can see the same clothes, the same shirt I'm wearing here. It's got the Zbrush modeling in the background. It's on top of a desk. How cool does that look? It looks like a toy figurine, and then the box behind it is cool as well. Very, very neat. And let me show you if I create a new prompt, and I'll use the same exact words, but I'm gonna use a little bit of a different photo to show you what that looks like. Same process, select Create Images, upload a file. In this case, I'm gonna use the same photo, but instead I'm kind of standing in a superhero pose. I'll put that same prompt into the prompt box and I'll hit submit. This is gonna give us a little cooler result because again, I'm standing in a superhero pose, so it's going to utilize that pose for the figurine. About 10 seconds later, and here it is. So it changed the background a bit, changed the desk a little bit as well, but you can see here, it's got that pose, it's got the clear base, it's got the same shoes, the pants, the clothing is the same. Isn't that very cool? How it gives it that figurine look. I just think this is so much fun. But now I want to show you how a simple phrase added into this prompt can change the output entirely. So same thing, create image, I'll add my file, and I'll use the original file, the first file I used. I'm going to put the same prompt in, but at some point in the prompt, I'm going to put the figurine has superpowers. That's it. Just 5 extra words and it'll change the output. This is why AI is so much fun, because you can tweak, you can play around, you can do trial and error and kind of see what results you get. Let's take a look. Okay, look at how cool that is. Those 5 words added superpowers to the character. You can see the box in the corner says superpowered gauler. I don't know what a gauler is, but those are the words it put up there. Look, there's even like snacks sitting on the desk. There's a bunch of messy cables in the background, but really the figurine just looks so cool. And again, I added superpowers by simply adding an additional phrase. I think that's so cool. So that's what I love about AI. Play around, add phrases, take phrases out, add some extra descriptors and see what happens. Comment below. I want to hear what you tried, and maybe pop a prompt in the comments that we can try so we can play around with the experiments that you've discovered. And do me a huge favor. It helps me grow here on YouTube if you do 2 things: like the video, of course, and subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot more cool content coming your way right here on Tech It Before You Wreck It. I'm Kirk.